When a fan runs without a thermostat G signal or runs only on certain modes, suspect whether a relay or the control board is failing based on how power is being delivered. Start by checking for voltage at the fan leads when the thermostat calls for fan. If the control board directly supplies fan voltage and you see full line voltage present on the fan output without a G input, that points to a failed board closing the circuit internally. If the system uses a separate relay module or relay on the board, listen and watch for relay click when the G signal is applied, and measure continuity across the relay contacts while actuated. Use a multimeter set to measure alternating current voltage to confirm that the output follows the input command, and a clamp meter to see actual current draw if you suspect a shorted motor. Inspect for physical signs such as burnt relay contacts, melted plastic, or bulging capacitors on the control board, which indicate component failure rather than intermittent relay stick. If the relay is external and stuck closed, you may have fan power present even with no G signal. Disconnect the relay coil and see if the fan loses power to confirm the relay. Always switch power off at the breaker before swapping a relay or board, and document wire positions or take a clear photo to avoid miswiring on reinstallation. Common mistakes include assuming the thermostat is at fault when the board is powering the fan. Verify voltage at the thermostat wire first and then at the board to avoid replacing the wrong part. Another error is replacing the entire control board when only the relay module failed. Isolate the relay or unhook its coil to test whether the fan stops before buying a new board. Third, technicians sometimes fail to check for a mechanically seized relay or shorted fan motor drawing abnormal current. Measure amp draw and inspect relay contacts to decide if the motor or relay is the root cause and replace only the failed component. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project guides relevant to diagnosing fan and control issues. We also host a discussion community where we share experience, troubleshooting tips, and referrals so we can all get repairs done faster and smarter.